The skirting is all rotten along the bottom of this shed. So we're going to replace it with PVC, but we're going to go manufacture the new pieces in the shop. So let's get started. So we'll just do this side first to get her on there. And we got to work quickly because this PVC cement is no joke in the drying department. So we'll just set the brad in there. The skirting has made its way from the shop next door down into the Jeff Spofford International Paint Headquarters, aka my basement, where it's much warmer and less dusty. So we're gonna take these and paint them up. Alright, well, we're back in Cape Elizabeth to install the new skirting that we made in the shop. So here we go. Alright, well, the AZEK system's super easy to install. Here's the piece. Goes in this corner over here, and we're just gonna get it up there, make sure the corner has enough clearance to meet the miter. We're good, and I mean, you guys are gonna love this. This is good stuff. For exterior trim work, I will never go back to wood. With that, you drive the screw in quite a bit, and then finish it off with a little plug, like so. Screw the other three in here. Okay. Plug. Another plug. Getting this done just in the nick of time. It's going to snow tomorrow. Then we just tap them in lightly with the hammer so they're flush. Look how slick that is. I'll just come with a paintbrush with a little paint on it and just tap those in before I leave. Let's install the rest of it. So I already cut one miter at the shop. It'll meet up there, but I left it a little long at the end so that I could get an exact measurement at the site. So first we'll just Stick that in there and get a measurement from corner to corner. And I'm only making 5 cuts today, so I didn't move my entire workbench operation out to the beach for a quick job like this. So I'm roughing it on the driveway. Alright, we're going to install the side skirt now. Here we go. Make sure this miter corner comes up together. It does. I can't tell you how lovely it is kneeling on the ground in December. Get our plugs in, and I will come back and cinch that up with a AZEK screw once we have all the pieces in. Just put this up here. Alright, that's 2 sides done, and I'll finish it up and show you the final product. Alright, so now I have it all installed, and all the screw holes are plugged, and the miters were glued together with PVC cement, and we have a skirt. So now I'm gonna, oh, by the way, that wood was against the building. I had to move it over there, and I get to move it back. Yay me. So we have the skirt up, and I painted it, as you know, in the shop, but if you look real close, you can see that the screw plugs are the color of the PVC. So we brought the paint with me and a brush. It's a custom color. It's a grayish white. looks white unless you have it next to gray, and it's like, oh yeah, it's a grayish white. So we're gonna put that on the plug holes, restack the wood. So we're done. Got all the skirting in. Got the wood stacked. That was quite a treat. But I had plenty of practice. I just stacked my own wood last week. So there's that, and there's the skirting. Look at that. It's going to last a long time. PVC is great. It's not going to rot. You saw what the other stuff looked like, and I don't think I'll ever go back to wood again for the outdoors. Here, take a look at the view before we go. Not terrible. Not terrible. Except it is December and I'm freezing my butt off. So there's that. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.